Ableton Live 11's Chorus-Ensemble effect stands out as an expanded and versatile tool, ideal for thickening sounds, creating various effects like flanging, vibrato, and emulating the classic chorus sounds of string ensembles. It showcases three distinct modes: classic, ensemble, and vibrato, each with unique characteristics and applications. The classic mode is all about producing a traditional chorus effect by adding two time-modulated delayed signals. This mode is particularly suitable for adding light motion and depth to audio signals, enhancing them with a timeless chorus sound. On the other hand, Ensemble Mode, inspired by a 1970s three-delay line chorus pedal, offers a richer and smoother chorus effect. It achieves this by using three delayed signals with evenly split modulation phase offsets, which results in a denser sound compared to the classic mode. Vibrato mode is the third option, applying stronger modulation to create pitch variations. This mode stands out for its flexibility, allowing for seamless morphing from a sine to a triangle waveform, making it perfect for dynamic police siren sounds. The effect also includes key controls and parameters like the high-pass filter and width. The high-pass filter specifically cuts low frequencies, giving users control over the chorus effect on lower signal components. The width parameter, while adjusting stereo width in classic and ensemble modes, is replaced by offset and shape controls in the vibrato mode. The global parameters include rate, which controls the modulation rate, amount, setting modulation amplitude, feedback, determining the output amount fed back to the input, output, which manages the gain of the processed signal, warmth, adding a touch of distortion for a warmer tonal quality, and dry-wet balance, essential for mixing processed and unprocessed signals. Creative applications and tips for the chorus ensemble effect range from thickening guitar sounds to enhancing vocal and synth tracks. For instance, using ensemble mode with specific settings can give dry guitars a surf rock tone. Automating feedback invert toggle at high levels can create bursts of oscillations. When it comes to vocals and synths, applying vibrato mode with low settings enhances vocal tracks with subtle pitch variations, and using classic or ensemble mode on synth leads results in a fuller, more layered sound. Experimentation with the effect can lead to radical sonic changes, such as using the *20 multiplier in classic mode or employing the offset feature in vibrato mode for spatial effects. In practical usage, setting up chorus ensemble involves selecting a sound source, choosing a mode based on the desired effect, and adjusting parameters like rate, amount, and feedback. Additional tonal coloring can be achieved using the warmth knob. Fine-tuning and mixing involve blending the effect with the original signal through the dry-wet control, using the high-pass filter to avoid muddiness and ensuring the final output is well balanced in the mix. In conclusion, Ableton Live 11's Chorus Ensemble is a dynamic and multifaceted effect, offering a range of sounds from subtle enhancements to dramatic transformations. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive controls make it a valuable asset for producers and musicians seeking to add depth, movement, and character to their tracks. Whether aiming for a classic chorus effect, a rich ensemble sound, or creative pitch modulation, Chorus Ensemble provides the tools for both traditional and innovative sound design.